Let us go to the details related to transactions. We typically perform operations such as commit and rollback via the applications. Commit will persist the changes in the database. Rollback will revert the uncommitted changes in the database. We typically roll back the uncommitted changes in a transaction if there is any exception as part of the application logic flow. So when it comes to the interaction with the database from the application perspective, when we establish connection to the database, there will be a session associated with it. Within the session, we might perform multiple transactions. Each transaction might be committed or rolled back. If everything goes well, we should commit. If there is something that is going wrong in between of a transaction, then we typically roll back. For example, once the order is placed, all the items that are added to shopping cart will be rolled back if the payment using credit card fails. If the payment is successful, then it will have subsequent database operations and it will commit the whole set of operations to ensure that all the relevant tasks that are related to fulfilling the order is taken care at that time. So that's how the commit and rollback work from the application development perspective. By default, every operation is typically committed in Postgres, especially if you use tools like SQL Workbench or Jupyter-based environment. SQL Workbench provides you the option whether you want to enable auto commit or not while creating the profile. Even if you connect to pSQL and if you try to perform any insert, update or delete, all those operations are typically committed unless you say begin transaction, it will be typically committed. We'll get into the details related to transaction as part of application development courses later. For now, just understand that there are two statements, commit and rollback. Commit typically commits all the changes that are done in that transaction into the database. Rollback roll back to the original state without persisting those changes that are done as part of a given transaction. Commands such as commit rollback typically comes under TCL, which stands for Transaction Control Language.